Hi everyone! So I'm back finally with an Owlcrate unboxing. It is over here. I just got it today, which is awesome actually because we're leaving for Taiwan in a few days and I didn't think it would get here before that, but it did. It arrived in my mailbox today. So open it up here. And the theme of this month's crate was strange and unusual. So I'm pulling out the little card here. It certainly looks strange and unusual, very mystical. Like the skulls and the crystals and everything. Alright, we've got some confetti. That's always fun. I wonder how they make this. Okay, so the first thing I'm pulling out here, it looks like it's some kind of like pennant sort of banner thing. Hard to get out. There we go. Okay, so it says strange, or it says stay peculiar. So that's cute. And it looks like it's got these little ties. So you can tie it wherever you want. I think it would hang kind of like this maybe, or like this if you wanted. There's a close-up. It's really nice though. It says Owlcrate on the back as well, which is excellent. Alrighty, we've got this month's button, which has got the same skull on it from here. So that's cool. I like that. Looks like we've got some of the candles in there as well. Oh, and we've got a little Funko Pop. Oh, it's a Funko Pop vinyl figure keychain. So it looks like I've got 11. And I don't know. I think that it's okay. So there it is. Cute. So the options were Dustin or 11, and I got 11. And then, oh, cute. Okay, so they're little skull push pins, which is adorable. Let me just get one of them out. Okay, so there is the front, and then the back is just a normal little push pin. But they come in they came in this really cute little like test tube kind of thing. So that is really adorable. And then it looks like got a Ouija board mystifying mints. So that's always fun. Good to have like in a purse or something. Those are cute. I don't really walk around with my purse anymore, but I'll definitely hang on to these. Always like mints. Okay. Let's pull it out. Oh, cool. I think that this is a clutch, which is really cool. It says the head is 2 wise. The heart is all fire on this side. I think it says the same thing on the back. Okay, we've got a little sticker. Oh, and it's a little Luna Lovegood sticker from Harry Potter. It says you're just as sane. Oops. It says you're just as sane as I am, which, if anyone remembers from the books, was not super comforting to poor Harry. Looks like we've got an art print, which is really cool. It's a whale, little books on his back, and some tea. That's really sweet. I like that. And then our book of the month. The theme of the August box is Ruthless Royals. So there is the little card, and there's the back of it. Like it is one of those little magnetic bookmarks, which is neat. There we go. Got the little Owlcrate magazine for this month, which just has the interview with a vendor. That's the one who made the Luna Lovegood sticker. There's a word search in here. There is the information for the photo challenge, which is cool. And then an interview with the authors of the book, which is, but first, the suspense continued. So we've got the little note from the authors. Looks like there's a couple of them, so that's nice. There is a little, oh, it looks like it's a diorama building sort of thing. So you can like build a diorama of Thornfield Hall. Neat. There's that. And then the book is called My Plain Jane. So there we go. That is the cover of that one. And it's got kind of around the side that she sees dead people looking for love in all the wrong places. Jane Eyre, that is. So it looks like this is some kind of retold version of Jane Eyre. I guess, yeah, so kind of probably not along the same lines exactly as Pride, Prejudice, and Zombies, but, you know, that sort of vein, I think. So I'll read the back part to you. It says, a fantastic, romantic, comedic, entirely, but not really, faithful retelling of Jane Eyre. You may think you know the story. After a miserable childhood, penniless orphan Jane Eyre becomes a governess at Thornfield Hall. There she meets one dark, brooding Mr. Rochester. Despite their significant age gap, yikes, and his uneven temper, underline double yikes, they fall in love. And reader, she marries him. We have a different story to tell. So I think that this little blurb, I've never read the actual Jane Eyre, so I don't know what happens in it, but it looks like this is going to be more of a, from the sounds of it, and I'm totally just guessing, but from the sounds of it, it sounds like it might be more of like a girl power type thing. The little inside part is talking more about kind of what's going on, and I'll read that as well. So it says, Jane is best friends with a ghost, and she has endured years of hardship and misery and is ready to embark on a new life as a governess at Thornfield Hall. She's rather poor, she's rather plain, and also she has terrible taste in men. Charlotte, and just try to tell her no, is an aspiring novelist. Yes, she's that Charlotte, and she's determined to capture her friend Jane's story, even if it means worming her way into the most epic ghost hunt this side of Wuthering Heights. And Alexander is a ghost hunter extraordinaire, is an agent of the Society for the Relocation of Wayward Spirits. He's about to discover something very disturbing going on at a little place called Thornfield. Reader, there will be murder, mayhem, conspiracy, and of course, romance. Prepare for an adventure of gothic proportions in which all is not as it seems, and a certain gentleman, Mr. Rochester, is hiding more than skeletons in his closet. So, that sounds interesting. I mean, I'm always down for a ghost story, so I will check it out. And it will probably be on a book review sometime, at some point. Who knows? Well, thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoyed this. I know I've been gone a long time. Yeah, if you liked this video, give it a like if you want, subscribe if you want to see more, and you know, if you would like, you can ring the bell to get notifications for when I post. Thanks everyone, bye!